Hi guys, so today we are going to do a Codeforces question. The Codeforces question name is twin. So if I tell you the whole summary, there is a cousin who want to distribute the coins evenly to all two of his brother or either his sister, whatever you call it. But what at the end he wants that he have much more coin than his brothers or sisters. So how he can achieve this? Like for example, you have given two coins, so you have to distribute that in a way that you have more coins than the sister and brothers which you have to distribute to them. So how can you do that? You must have more coins than them, not equal, must more than that. How could you do that? You could take both the coins. If you take the both the coins, you will have the more coins, because if you give one coin to your cousin or brother sisters, they will also have three coins, you will also have three coins. That's not we want you have the most coin. Okay, so how can we do this? We can do this only by taking the both three coins. So the output will be 2, because we have taken both the coins. So let me show you the code. I have already solved it. I will just explain it to you and also show in terminal. Okay, so what we have what we are here, I mean we have taken the number of test cases, I mean the length of the array, because as you can see 2, then we will enter the value inside the array. After that, what we will do, we'll take the sum of the array. Sum means how much total money you have gotten. Okay, how much total money you have gotten. After that, we will sort the array, sort this, like we have given this, so we will sort it, so it will be like 1 2 2. Okay, after that what we will do, we will reverse the array. Okay, so we will reverse this, it will become 2 2 1. Okay, then what we will do, declare an iter variable, int variable. Then inside a for loop there is a logic which will give us the answer. In this logic, what we are doing, we are comparing ans. Ans is the answer variable we have defined over here. You can see ans is greater than sum minus ans. Okay, sum minus ans. If that condition satisfied, then this loop will break and it will output the iter, how many times you have taken the coin, how many coins you have taken. So before that, we will use this loop, like for example, okay, so let's enter 3 1 2 2, like, so we have taken two variables. Why two variables? If the cousin take one and two variable, 1 and 2 coin, so he will have total 3 coins. 3 is greater than the second coin. Okay, so the second coin he will distribute to his brothers, and this coin 1 and 2 he will take, so that he can have more coins. Okay, like that. So as you can see, first what will happen, this loop start from index 0. Index 0 will add the value at ans. Ans will become what, let me explain you. Ans will become ans will be what, ans in starting index is 2, so it will become 2. Okay, and sum will be what is our sum? Sum is total 5 minus 2, so it will be 3. Again we will take we will add the index, at index 1 we add 1, so what we will do, ans plus 1, it will be 3. Okay, so ans, what will happen, ans 3 is, what will happen, 3 is greater than sum. What is our sum? Sum is 5 minus 3, it is 2, so here the and throughout this the iter value will increment by 2. Okay, first and then second. As you can see, in this and in this it will iter by 2, and in this condition it's true 3 is greater than 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, then this for loop will break, and in will output the iter. Okay, how many coins we have taken, like this. And that's it guys, that's how the code is working. Thank you for watching.